Hello guys, welcome back. In this edition of the tips and tricks series, we'll look at how to see how viewed your Instagram story. First step is open your Instagram app and tap on your story icon in the upper left corner. In the lower left corner, you will see another user profile icon. This indicates that someone has viewed your story. Tap on the icon to view all of the users who have viewed your story. If you don't see the icon in the lower left, it means that no one has viewed your story. If you want to double check that no other users have watching your story, then swipe up from the bottom. You will see that no names are listed. Now that's you know how to see your viewed your story.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.